Hi, we're back. Hi, we are back, and
Hi,
we are on sale.
we're making
And this
pizza.
is Mira, and we're gonna make pizzas
Pizza.
for you. Mira and Kira are gonna make pizzas for you.
Hi,
Kira,
we're
say
back.
hi.
We're
Okay.
gonna make pizza.
Okay. And what are the ingredients?
Mushroom pizza.
No, mushroom. Then this is pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
This is sun-dried tomatoes.
Some white tomato.
What about this?
Sausages.
Sausages. What is this?
Pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce. And what's this?
Cheese.
Cheese to put on the pizza.
Yes. Hi, we're gonna.
So the chefs are ready, and that's Mira. Mira, say hi. Kira.
Hi.
And we've got our dough set. We've got our dough ready. It's dusted. The pan's dusted. We've got our sun-dried tomatoes, sausages, mushrooms, and we've got the paste ready. Cheese is ready.
Yeah.
Let's start. The oven's set to is preset to 180. Waiting for the pizza to get.
It will go.
Very good, Mira. Very good. Press it evenly in the corners. Very good, Mira. This looks. Let me take a look at it. Give me your hands, Mira. Let me take a look. Wow, this is looking good. Looks like a nice soft pizza. Super, Mira. Yeah. Wow. So as you can see, Mira dabs some oil onto it. Okay, and just spreading the oil all around the pizza base. Very good, Mira. Super. And now we spread the pizza sauce. What's this, Mira?
Pizza sauce.
Okay. And what do you have to do?
Split it.
You have to spread it. Okay, Mira, what are you putting? You're putting the toppings now. Okay, alright. Right, not girl.
You were eating this.
I know she's not supposed to lick her fingers by the way. Mushrooms. Put the mushrooms first, Mira, and then you can put the sausage. Okay. This looks so yummy, Mira, and now I've got the cheese all around. Fantastic. What did you put now, Mira? Oregano. Wow. Wow, Mira. Look at your pizza in the oven. It's getting cooked. Awesome. Hey, Kira, Mira sitting by the oven, waiting for the pizza to cook after a while we're waiting for Mira's pizza.
Yeah.
Who makes the best pizza?
Me.
Kira or Mira?
Me.
Or is it Dada?
Me.
No, I think it's Dada. Mira? Wow, it's looking good. Mira, are you happy with the pizza?
Yes.
Super. Smile.
Hi.
Baba, you enjoy your pizza?
No, it's a little bit hot.
It's hot, is it? So let it cool down for a bit. And then, Kira, gonna enjoy Mira's pizza. Wow, Baba. Pizza's looking very nice. Fantastic pizza by Mira. Mira Peaches.
Dada.
Smile.